Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Schedule E, which is used to report income and expenses from rental properties. So this form is helpful because it lets you report how much you earned from your rental and also subtract your expenses so that you can see your actual profit or loss for tax purposes. So on the screen, you'll see the Schedule E form. Let's go through it step by step. At the top of the section, you'll enter your basic informations like your name and social security number. Then you'll move to part 1, which is where most rental property details go. So start by entering the physical address of your rental property. If you have more than one property, you can list them in separate columns labeled A, B, and C. And right below that, select the type of property like single family residence, multifamily, or vacation rental. Next, you'll enter how many days the property was rented and how many days it was used personally. So this helps determine how the income and expenses are calculated. Then go to the income section. So in here, you'll report the total rent you received and if applicable, any royalties. Move down to the expenses section. This is where you list all costs related to your rental, like advertising, cleaning, maintenance, insurance, property management fees, mortgage interest, taxes, utilities, and repairs. Just enter each expense in each correct line. So once you've entered everything, you'll total your expenses and subtract them from your rental income to get your net income or loss. And if you continue to the next page, you'll see sections for partnerships, S corporations, estates, and trusts. Only fill these out if they apply to you. Otherwise, you can skip them. At the bottom, your final totals will flow into your main tax return, so make sure everything is accurate before moving on. And that is it. That is a simple walkthrough of how to complete Schedule E for rental property income. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.